Today we're going to be telling you what you need to bring when you're going on a cruise.
Thank you for supporting us. Like and comment and share our videos.
Don't forget to
That'll be so much help.
That'll mean so much to us if you guys would subscribe, like, and comment down below. So the first thing you'll need is a government ID and a valid driver's license.
And a passport. Before you go on the cruise, you must watch this video.
If your cruise requires a vaccine, make sure you have your COVID vaccine card with you.
And make sure you have a negative COVID test.
And make sure you bring dressy clothes for your evening formal dining. Dressy clothes.
Make sure you bring at least one dressy shoes to match all your outfits.
And for the men, don't forget to bring a suit and long pants for the fancy nights.
And for the men and the boys, you can bring dressy shoes.
And now, let's talk about what to bring in your carry-on bags.
And if your suitcase doesn't arrive on time, this stuff can help you. These are the things that you must have in your carry-on bag. Sunglasses, lip balm, and some sunscreen, toothpaste, and toothbrush to brush.
And also toiletries, medications, camera, and laptop, and jewelry. And also a power bank, because if you're like us, you always want to have your phones charged. And don't forget to bring your waterproof phone case, because if you're outside or by the pool and the ocean, then you don't want your phone getting wet.
And also make sure to bring your first aid kit.
And you also want to take your over-the-counter medications, because not everybody can take the ocean, like Dramamine and Bonine.
And make sure to bring your shore excursion bag. Make sure to bring sun hat and flushable wipes.
And don't forget to bring a Ziploc, so for when you're needing snacks and your bathing suits are wet. So you also want to bring scarf for when it's cold, running shoes, and more than 2 bathing suits.
Get into it.
Thanks for watching. Let us know if this video helped you for your next cruise. Bye!
These are the things that you must be.
And don't forget to